Amidst the many weight loss suggestions that exist out there, apple cider vinegar has been scientifically proven to be very effective. Drinking apple cider vinegar before meals is a sure way of losing weight and, at the same time, improving your overall health. Here are 9 reasons apple cider vinegar works for weight loss. 1. Controls blood sugar. A study done by Carol Johnston, PhD at Arizona State University, showed that drinking vinegar before eating decreases blood glucose levels past meals. As a result, helping lose weight even after eating a carbohydrate-filled meal. 2. Affects how food is digested. Eating a healthy diet has always helped control blood sugar. However, apple cider vinegar has shown the capability of regulating blood sugar by changing how food is digested. Taking apple cider vinegar before meals prevents disaccharides from being broken down into starch for digestion, thus preventing a spike in blood sugar. 3. Helps burn fat. Continuous consumption of vinegar can help burn stubborn fat that doesn't want to go away. This is according to a study that was done on 175 obese individuals in Japan. The acetic acid found in apple cider vinegar is responsible for the burning of fat. 4. Makes you feel full for longer. Another advantage of taking apple cider vinegar is that it prevents overeating. Consuming it with a meal will make you feel fuller for longer. 5. Boosts metabolism. Although not much research regarding this has been done on human beings, apple cider vinegar may boost metabolism. By boosting your metabolism, your body burns down more calories. And as long as you reduce your calorie intake, you can be assured of managing your weight. 6. It suppresses appetite. Do you struggle fighting off your food cravings? Then apple cider vinegar can help you suppress your appetite and lose weight even faster. Acetic acid, which is found in apple cider vinegar, is a natural appetite suppressant. 7. It affects insulin regulation. Did you know that an improvement in insulin regulation can help you lose weight? According to a study in the American Diabetes Association journal, vinegar can help improve insulin regulation. 8. Apple cider vinegar is beneficial for diabetes. Weight loss can help reverse type 2 diabetes, and apple cider vinegar can assist you in weight management, therefore linking the marvelous benefits of apple cider vinegar with type 2 diabetes. However, if there are some medications you are taking to regulate your insulin levels, you need to monitor your readings if you're also going to take apple cider vinegar. Your doctor can help find the recommended dosage to prevent hypoglycemic episodes. 9. Reduces fat storage. Using apple cider vinegar, other than helping burn stubborn fat, it leads to the emergence of genes that reduce fat storage. This is one of the factors that make apple cider vinegar a long-term weight loss strategy. If you are having some doubts, then the above 9 reasons should clear all of them. Apple cider vinegar for weight loss works because it contains a lot of unique properties. To achieve most of its benefits, embrace the habit of adding at least 1 tablespoon to a glass of water. Or you can add it straight to a salad or soup. And as you use it to lose weight, ensure that you adhere to healthy eating habits. And if you're seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, HealthFitnessPlanet.com/weightloss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.